viewers, and welcome back to IT System channel. And today we're gonna be looking how to install Node Version Manager, that's NVM, for Windows 10, for Ionic framework, Vue.js, Angular, and Nodejs development. We're gonna be doing. So the first thing we're gonna look at, um, what is NVM? Basically, NVM is a Node package manager in case you wanna develop a Node application and you have different application running different versions of Node.js. NVM helps you to kind of run different application with different Node version. Simple, I can say that. So it's a Node version manager which allows you to download and install Node.js, and it allows you to pick and choose the Node.js version that you wish to use. And what is Node.js? So Node.js to Node.js, it is platform for running JavaScript application. See, what is npm? npm lowercase, because when we run to npm is a node package manager. Is a tool that helps you to install JavaScript packages. And npm comes along others. So, so you have if you have Node.js, then has npm already. Check if my computer has put npm. I will open that and say npm dash dash version. I don't know if it's on or not. It works. So I have npm version 10.2.3. If I do not version v okay, have Node version 20.10.0, but you want to use NVM to install. So if you have it installed already on your computer, what you need to do is first go ahead and uninstall it. So installation of NVM. Number one, let's check if you have Node.js installed without nvm, then go ahead and uninstall it from your Windows program and features. If it's the first time, then wait for the next step. So like for me, I have it, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Program features, and then remove programs. I'll go to program features and Node. Where's Node? Where's Node? I see my Node there. I'm going to uninstall it. So while we are installing, I need to go to a link on GitHub. Next, okay. I'm going to hit NVM Windows. Link, which is here, like this. So GitHub home story. Okay. Slash nvm dash windows slash release. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this on my Chrome URL and head to, there you go. You can see here we have different stuff there. but I'm gonna take on the one on the zip version. nvm dash setup. I think I'm gonna use the one for the setup.exe. That's a direct Windows installation. I don't need to download that one, the one. Okay, let's see. We have a .exe one. Now what I want, when was this one installed? Why don't I just take this? I don't want to take a zip one. So that will give me a Windows executable, which I will install here quickly. See, just gonna check the executable file, and you don't want, and that will give you where the node, when the NVM manages the node versions, so it's gonna install it in the same folder we have ours. The active version of node will always be available here. Select the folder which, so I'm gonna leave this one the default for node. I don't want to change it because that's where my application looks for. And I think that we are done, and otherwise you can choose the one for zip file if you would want a zip file. For me, since we have an option for .ex file, just run it a Windows executable file. That's so easy. So next thing, I think we are done. We just need to check where is nvm, if installed or not. So what I will come here, that's nvm dash version. Actually, it nvm is not known as internal external command. So I need to add nvm to my Windows command line. Oh no, I know why it's going on. Because I have this command line already open, so I need to close it and open a new one. That's added to the Windows part, so I don't need to do. And there you go. Yeah, now we have nvm 1.1.12. So we have it in. So just make sure, guys, when you have your Windows command line open, make sure you close it after you install nvm so that it can get the new items that were added to your command line. So the next thing, I don't know if I can get this Node version with this one, so I want to see which one I'm running. Node. So what I will do, it seems that since NVM is managing our Node version, so we don't have it. That's why you see when I do node dash dash version, it's giving me nothing. Now I need nvm to install for me the node version I want to use. I'm going to nvm install latest. That will install the latest version, and there we have it. We are having node 21.6.1. even I was running the oldest version, and now we are extracting node and npm, which we are using for which is here. npm is a node package manager. So this one will allow us to install the node packages we can use in our project, and that one we shall do next time when we started building our Ionic framework project, which we're going to be starting. Let's see what's going on here. So we have our node installed, and now let's check if we see something. And we're still getting an node version. Node is not recognized, but NVM is saying us to use that. Let me just see what's going on. Node should be something I'm forgetting to do, but let's see what's going on here. And we have that NVM. Okay. So let's see if we can install a different version. Let's say you have a project running on Node version 10, maybe 14.9.1. So what you need to do is just do npm install. The other one was latest, and now we can install 1.9. Oh, yes, npm, not npm. I'm installing another package. npm install. Let's see if we can get that guy there. So yeah, and you see here it does install to a different version of npm that matches your node version. Now when you wanna do a project, we can just do npm use 14.9 nvm, sorry, nvm on, because I do a lot of npm, and that one needs a Windows authorization, but you can see now it says now using Node version that. So if you have a project that's using different Node version, you can just use this command to get your Node version that you want to run. So you just do nvm use 14.9. And now since I just need to remember which version we installed it, I like keeping the versions that I have, and so that way it's easy for me to okay, so this one I will do install Node using nvm run. So simply run that, or do that, or latest nvm, not npm, please make note of that. Install latest. That will install the latest one. And then to use it, say nvm use whatever version you installed. Or here, I kind of don't remember what was that latest version. Oh, okay, so because we do have it already, just download that command line. Sure, we should be able to bring up my Node version. I don't know why it couldn't. Maybe I didn't say NVM use, so it doesn't just know. So it hasn't not activated the one I wanna use. Let me try to see. Simply have that one. Node dash dash version. Yeah, so that's the issue. So make sure, guys, when you after you install, um, you have to use this install and then use this command to activate which node version you wanna use, and then after that you are confidently can run node dash dash version to check your version. But make sure you are, and I will just keep this here for my records, and that's the one I'm gonna be using to do my coding. Oh, that's the one I use on my computer, the latest one, though the one I had was already an old version. So I'm gonna take this and there, and now I can confidently come here and say nvm use 21.6.1. Now the unit version is asking me for to allow it because I'm accessing my C drive. Then I can confidently run node dash version. Yeah, add command. Oh, because I have the dash. You can see now that's the one I'm using. Now this one I can now run any node or command line. For example, we can install rimraf. Rimraf is a Nodejs which helps you. It's an old package that helps you to clean up your file system, and it can help you even clean up your Node.js folder very fast, or any other file. Just wipes it out, and mostly we use it for building when you are bundling a Node.js application or JavaScript application. So I'm gonna say npm rimraf. Rimraf. I hope I will get it. Npm rimraf. That's the one there. Now I can just run npm rimraf, and I can even install it globally, and it will help you. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna install it globally. So let's see if we can install it on Node.js. So this, we are using npm to manage installing Node.js packages. The one I'm gonna install is npm, and let's do things global rimraf. Let's see what's gonna happen there. It's kind of quite slow there. I just don't know what it's thinking. Am I connected to the internet here? Okay, come on, come on. Did I put install? That's the problem. I didn't put install, so it's just on there. can just do like I or install. Yeah, that's it. And install -g remove, and you can see there we are installing and we just added it to our computer. So that's all guys for today, and make sure to subscribe to Bond IT Systems, um, and to help us get more content out there. And that's all for today. See you in the next video to come.